Hi, it's Miles from 600miles.com. I'm working on my friend Shelly's gas tank, but the gas fuel sender was at the top. The insulator was damaged. But anyway, so I took it apart because it was damaged. And I just want to show you what's inside of this. Let's get this light on. Here we go. So here's what's inside of a fuel sender. So here's the float. The float goes up and down inside the gas tank. And it's got this blade over here that rubs on this resistor. So that'd be full and that'd be empty. So the way to test it is not with taking it apart like that, obviously. Now this is one that's still got the wires on it, and this one works really well. Maybe I'll put this one in. It's smooth. Check that out.